In the realm of hypercars, Koenigsegg stands as a beacon of innovation and performance, and its latest masterpiece, the Koenigsegg Jesko, continues to redefine automotive excellence. Recently, the Jesko made headlines not only for setting 4 world records but also for overcoming a high-profile fire incident, showcasing both its unparalleled capabilities and the resilience of its engineering. The Koenigsegg Jesko's journey to greatness is marked by its relentless pursuit of speed and precision. Armed with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces staggering horsepower, the Jesko is engineered to push the boundaries of what is possible on 4 wheels. Its aerodynamic design, crafted for optimal downforce and minimal drag, ensures stability at high speeds, making it a formidable force on both road and track. Recently, the Jesko solidified its place in automotive history by setting 4 world records, a testament to its unmatched performance and engineering prowess. From top speed runs to acceleration tests, each record shattered by the Jesko reaffirms Koenigsegg's commitment to pushing the limits of automotive technology. However, the Jesko's journey has not been without its challenges. A high-profile fire incident, which initially raised concerns, has since been attributed to a specific cause identified by Koenigsegg's engineers. This incident, while unfortunate, served as a catalyst for further advancements in safety and technology, underscoring Koenigsegg's dedication to continuous improvement and innovation. Behind the scenes, Koenigsegg's engineers worked tirelessly to investigate and address the cause of the fire, implementing rigorous testing and enhancements to ensure the Jesko's reliability and safety. This proactive approach not only safeguards current models but also sets a precedent for future developments in automotive safety standards. Beyond its technical achievements and resilience, the Koenigsegg Jesko captivates enthusiasts with its bespoke craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each Jesko is hand-built to exacting specifications, reflecting Koenigsegg's commitment to quality and individuality. From the luxurious interior appointments to the precision-machined components, every aspect of the Jesko embodies the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. For owners and enthusiasts alike, the Koenigsegg Jesko represents more than just a hypercar, it is a symbol of automotive passion and ingenuity. Its record-setting performance, combined with its ability to overcome challenges, solidifies its status as a legend in the hypercar pantheon. Whether on the racetrack or the open road, the Jesko promises an exhilarating driving experience that transcends mere transportation. In conclusion, the Koenigsegg Jesko continues to inspire awe and admiration as it sets new benchmarks in speed, performance, and resilience. With its world record achievements and unwavering dedication to innovation, the Jesko stands as a testament to Koenigsegg's unwavering pursuit of automotive perfection. As the automotive landscape evolves, the Jesko remains at the forefront, pushing boundaries and redefining what is possible in the world of hypercars.